Hi nurses, this is Raman, Australian registered nurse from Dr. BKM Institutes of NCLEX, NORCET and OET. So in previous video, we have talked about lithium bicarbonate. That was the medication of bipolar disorder, and today we will discuss about antipsychotics. That are the medications of schizophrenia. ये कुछ और disease conditions में भी use होती हैं, जैसे कि bipolar disorder, substance abuse. So what are antipsychotics? These medications decrease dopamine in body. So with the increment or with the increase of dopamine, there will be occurrence of schizophrenia. So we will give these medications to reduce dopamine in our body. So there are three generations of antipsychotics: first generation, second generation and third generation. Today we will discuss about only first generation antipsychotics. What are the names of those drugs? These are chlorpromazine, trifluperazine and flofenazine and haloperidol, that is very famous, and pimozide. So what are the names of these drugs? Conventional drugs, neuroleptic drugs और typical antipsychotics भी बोलते हैं इनको. Secondly, these have highest side effects. Second जो generation of antipsychotics है उनके side effects थोड़े कम, and third generation of antipsychotics के side effects है ही नहीं, उनको हम बोलते हैं perfect antipsychotics. So these are having high side effects, and what kind of side effects? These are very important, जो NCLEX में भी आते हैं, जो नॉर्सेट में भी आ सकते हैं. These are Parkinsonian like symptoms. तो पार्किंसन तब होता है जब डोपामिन कम हो जाता है. तो these medications decrease dopamine, और ये डिक्रीज करते करते इतना डिक्रीज कर देते हैं कि पेशेंट को पार्किंसन लाइक सिम्टम्स आने लगते हैं. What Parkinson like symptoms? Like muscle rigidity, tremors, bradykinesia, etc. Another symptom is pill rolling movement. Patient will have side effect of pill rolling movement. Patient will do like that. Next, dystonia. Muscle tone of mainly head and neck will be increased. Okay. Next is achologyric eyes. Achologyric eyes, that is very important side effect of antipsychotic. Patient's eyes will roll up or roll behind. Next is tardive dyskinesia, that are worm like movements. पेशेंट का फेस worm like movements करने लग जाएगा. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्यों? बिकॉज ये इरिवर्सिबल है. हम बाकी सारे साइड इफेक्ट्स को रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द ओनली साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ एंटीसाइकोटिक्स जो हम रिवर्स नहीं कर सकते. हो गया पेशेंट तो पूरी लाइफ उसके साथ ही रहेगा. worm like movements मतलब उसका फेस worm like movements करेगा. नेक्स्ट इज न्यूरोलेप्टिक मैलिग्नेंट सिंड्रोम. इसमें क्या होता है कि पेशेंट इफ़ यूजिंग एंटीसाइकोटिक्स फ्रॉम वेरी प्रोलॉन्ग टाइम, तो पेशेंट को टैकीकार्डिया रहने लगता है, हाइपरथर्मिया रहने लगता है. व्हाट इज़ द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ न्यूरोलेप्टिक मैलिग्नेंट सिंड्रोम? We will do only symptomatic treatment. We can also give muscle relaxants like bromocriptine, dantrolene, etc. So these are the first generation antipsychotics. Thank you nurses, and stay contacted with us for more these kind of informative videos. Thank you so much.